Hi, this is Matt with Capital Granite. Today we're out here in New Kent County, east of Richmond, looking at a kitchen, our kitchen of the week in Super White. And so we'll just pan around over here. You can take a look at the nice cooktop. Over here we have the sink. And again, back to the deep single bowl sink is making a comeback. And then coming around, we've got a beautiful peninsula here, the nice overhang, great family space created here on the peninsula. And so these tops here, brand new tops, are in Super White, and they're with a honed finish. And so what I want to talk about for just a minute today is the types of finishes. So the traditional finish that you see, the most common, is polished finish. That's that shiny look you see on the majority of slab when you're walking through a yard. There's also a leather finish. A leather finish removes that shiny layer and actually creates a little bit of texture on there. And in between you have the honed finish. The honed finish removes the shiny layer and creates this nice silky smooth finish. And that's what you're seeing today. It just looks fantastic in Super White. This is an absolutely incredible kitchen, and we hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching today. Please like and share our videos online.